Welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Venice, one of the most desirable Italian locations. We are in the Cannaregio district just by the Canal Grande. I am now standing on one of the 4 bridges of the Canal Grande, Ponte degli Scalzi, and from here you have an amazing view on the historical apartment we will see today. It is on the piano nobile of a palazzo. Come with me. And here we are by the entrance of the apartment. As you can see, there are 2 entrance doors, and through this one we get to the laundry. Let's go inside. We are now inside the entrance room of the apartment. This is a 430 square meters property with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Follow me and I will show you one of the most incredible living rooms I've ever seen. This room alone is 100 square meters with 7 meters high ceilings. And all of these incredible paintings are from the artist Guarana. They're 300 years old and have been all finely restored. An incredible characteristic of this property is that both this room and the master bedroom are facing south, so they get natural sunlight throughout the whole day. That's an amazing aspect for a property in Venice. Imagine sitting here with your friends and enjoying this beautiful space. And as if this room couldn't get any better, it also has its own little balcony. Welcome to Venice. Just beside the living area, there is this amazing master bedroom. All of the details of the whole property have been preserved, like the original Venetian floors that are being fully restored, the stuccos on the ceilings, all the frescoes, but also all the doors are original. Have a look through this window what view you get when you wake up. From the master bedroom, if we keep going, we get to the entrance room we've seen before, and then to this other reception room that is connected on this side to all the bedrooms, and through this door to the dining room. Have a look at this incredible dining room. It is full of original stuccos dating back to the 800s. With these stuccos, they tried to give the effect as if you would be having lunch or dinner outside. In fact, this would be like a pergola with a view on the countryside all around, covered in vines. Connected to this dining room, there is the kitchen. Coming from the kitchen but also through the reception room, we arrive to two other bedrooms, one on my right and one on my left. Right behind me, they share a beautiful bathroom. And from this room with a view, and what a view, I would like to end today's property tour right in front of Canal Grande, the most important street in Venice. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you soon here in Venice.